Welcome to ZB's Fern Corner. Today I would like to demonstrate you guys how easy it is to replace a genuine indicator for a Rizoma. There's quite a number of different options. The one I chose for my bike is the part number is FR110B Corsa. So it's a black one. It's a pretty stubby, small looking comparing to the genuine one, but it's pretty bright. So I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys. I left the right hand side is the genuine one, and so we start with this. It's pretty bright for a little bugger. That's the genuine one, which is pretty bulky. At the same time, I would like to show you the other conversion which I did to the bike, which is the tail lights. So for the guys who are familiar with this bike, there's a bracket coming off here, and it contains the indicators and the number plate. So this is the tail lights, which I got on eBay. This is the seller is Light for Bikes. I believe they made in Germany. I've got them for quite a few years now and didn't have any concern. So this is brake light, and the indicators are also built in. The other conversion which I made for this bike is I installed the tail tidy, which is a bracket supplied and made by mustardbikes.com. They have mounting point for additional indicators if you wish to install them. So there's a hole right there. There's also instructions on the YouTube. It's pretty easy. Just remove the seat, few brackets. Well, you have to eliminate the original bracket and the wiring. Comes with the bolts. Obviously, you're gonna use a shorter bolts for the end of the bike. Yeah. Well, like I said, it's pretty easy. Yeah. So this is how it comes. Pretty nice little packaging. Everything is included. On this particular bike, all you need to do just pretty much using the patch harness, which I got here. Pretty much plug and play. You don't need any resistors, but for the motorbikes that you require resistors, they are also included in the packaging. So additional item which we, if you want to, your conversion to look nice, there's like adapter. So as you can see here, there's a 4 pieces coming in the kit. I've used a single one on that side. You can, I suppose, glue them together and use them as a pair. I think one will do. Okay. Tools. Nothing too fancy. It's just a quarter drive. There's a little socket set available from this particular one is made by Blue Point, available for snap-on. There's Torx bits and just the hex bits. On this particular conversion, all you need is just 2 and 4 mil You could use a quarter drive, or you could, you know, use a T. Okay, so I'm gonna be using T handle. What I'm gonna do is just show you how easy it is to remove the so that's it. Forward screw. And there's two. So pretty much by undoing these two bolts, which are 4mm hex, and one from the top, which is a 2mm. All you do, just that expose your side. You've got access to your radiator. So this is how easy it is to remove the whole panel. You don't need to split it. All you do, there's a bolt. I believe it's a 10mm socket. You just undo this. Run your new indicator through. Hook up the patch harness, which you don't need to do any. There's a few bucks, not that expensive. Rather than cut and solder, all you do, just pretty much plug it in, hook it up, put it back on, and job is done. So yeah, it's entirely up to you how you would like to do this. Or I believe the new models come with the little indicators attached to the headlamp, and yeah, to be honest, I wouldn't mind to have the a new headlight from the new bikes. This one looks a little bit standard, but see what I can do, see what's required to do the conversion. And if you guys would like to have any more information, just leave some comments, ask questions. I'll do my best to attend them to all. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.